Hey there, this is Neil Napier, and in this demo of Viddle, I want to share how you can host, play, and market your videos, and do the same for your clients and get paid monthly. Using Viddle is a simple 3-step process. You start by recording or uploading a video. Here you have 4 options. You can upload a video from your computer, or you can use direct YouTube or Vimeo links to add these videos to Viddle. You can also screen record your videos, which is a simple process and works without installing anything on your computer. You can also do an on-camera recording, and of course you can combine both screen and camera recordings. The process is simple and easy to use. In step 2, we upload and host your video. This is a simple step and there's not much you need to do. You can choose your own thumbnail or pick one of the thumbnails we suggest. Then you can select the title and description, which helps in ranking your videos on Google. You can also allow people to download these videos. Once the video is uploaded, you can make further edits. You can allow embedding as well as restrict domain on which this embedding can happen. This is perfect if you're selling courses and want to restrict where these videos are accessible. Moreover, you can also restrict viewing based on age and location. With Viddle, you can also upload your subtitles, add time codes, annotations, and more. The 360-degree video toggle helps you add advanced 360-degree videos to Viddle. And finally, the call to action option gives you the ability to pop up clickable links whenever you want. This is an easy way to make more sales while people watch your videos. Viddle gives you the ability to do video premieres, where you can push the video live in the future, creating anticipation for your audience. With the analytics we share, you can quickly see how customers are interacting with your videos. Now there's a lot to unpack within Viddle, but there is more. Step 3 is where we help market your videos. You can do that in many different ways. You can share the videos instantly on social media, link to them directly, and embed them. If you are embedding, I would strongly advise you to autoplay the video. As in our test, we have found the video to autoplay automatically on both mobile and desktop, and that is awesome. Oh, one of the cool hidden features of Viddle is the ability to change the theme colors as well. So you can personalize Viddle as you want. Having said all this, here's how you can use Viddle to start making money today. You see, Viddle comes with a built-in agency license. It's easy for you to create sub-accounts under your Viddle account. You can create sub-accounts for your customers or your clients. With each sub-account, your clients or customers can use Viddle to record, upload, and host their videos as well. And there's no extra work on your part. This is an excellent way to charge money for hosting videos, and you get all of this today at a one-time price. As you can see, it is really easy to use this platform, and I love the ability to record these videos and then directly upload them into Viddle. You get access to all of that, plus, like I said, the agency license, which is really big because now you can sell access to Viddle simply by creating sub-accounts. This is Neil Napier, and I look forward to seeing you use Viddle in your business.